and students. So today I want to talk about how you can set up your YouTube channel so that you can get subscription notifications. So if you're subscribed to my channel, right, this is Mr. Young's YouTube channel. I'm still working on trying to get that subscription number up, but if you would like to get notifications via email and or push notifications on your mobile device, all you need to do is go to settings. So you need to log in to YouTube using, I think you can use a Facebook account and or a Gmail account. But once you have an account, you can subscribe to my channel. And so if I want to go get notifications, so if you want to be notified anytime I upload a video on PE skill hacks or PE how to create your own equipment or physical activity ideas, well, then all you need to do is go into your settings like we did, click notifications, and then we're going to scroll down right here, channel subscriptions. Okay, it says you'll always get notifications you've turned on for individual channels. So what you want to do is if you'd like push only, that means that you will only get a notification that comes up on your mobile device. You can also opt to get email only, so this would send you a notification to your registered YouTube email address. So anytime I would upload a video, then you would be notified via email. If you would like both, which is what I personally do, then I click push and email. And you don't need to click anything else. If you go back to YouTube then, you can double check to see if your settings are set up correctly. All you need to do is hit here, and then you go to settings, notifications again. If you scroll down, mine are still set up, notify me via push and email. So that's how you set up your notifications for your subscription accounts. If you have any questions, you can always drop me a line in my comments section or shoot me an email at school. So good luck, happy subscribing, and I hope you stay notified with all those new videos I'm uploading. Have a good rest of your week.